When I first saw the new school, I thought it was amazing, beautiful, and the colours were really bright.
The old school was very dull and intimidating, but when I first saw the new school, it was very welcoming and seemed like a very nice learning community for everyone.
The shift in mindset to come from something so old into something so new is just naturally beneficial for staff well-being and pupil well-being.
I think people are looking after this much better than the old school because they've kept it more clean and it's well maintained.
What's fantastic is the relationship we have with Cardiff Vale College. Our pupils have real progression routes now. They know the direction they're going in, they know what's next.
I was just very, very surprised at how wonderful the building looked, how large and airy, the open spaces, the amount of daylight flooding in just made me think this is a 21st century building that's really conducive to good learning.
We're in an area of deprivation and many of our students do have challenging lives. What they have here is a sense of belonging, it's a safe place. They know that it's a place in the community that they can come to and they'll be looked after.
Being from the local area and going to the old high school as well, when it was known as Rumney, I'm seeing the impact within the community. Parents are wanting to send their children to this school because of the facilities and because it is a 21st century school.
The school's state-of-the-art because we have modern technology and every classroom has Chromebooks that we're allowed to use to help us with our learning.
I think the new building has really helped us to move forward with 21st century learning techniques and methodologies. So for example, Google Classroom, which we've now got in this building, gives us multiple opportunities for the students to learn in ways that are appropriate using technology that they're used to and deserving of.
So the teachers seem much happier and more comfortable here because the equipment they have to teach with and resources are much better. And I suppose because we feel happier, they feel happier to teach us.
I think the pupils feel a lot more respect towards their surroundings, towards their school, towards their learning as well. It's something that they feel proud of, and if they feel proud of it, I think they put more into their learning and more into the lessons of basically they challenge themselves more.
The effect on the community has been really positive. They're using the building every evening. All our lettings are fully booked. And during the day they come in, we hold quite a few courses during the day and after school. So the community appreciate it.
The school and the college have a fantastic relationship due to the fact that the school pupils can see they can naturally progress onto further education within the campus and remaining in the campus.
This is a real 21st century school. It's in sync with a 21st century pedagogy and curriculum. It encourages students to think ahead and think to their future.
The building is a beacon of learning excellence which parents and people within the community want to come to.
This school is very fit for our future and built for it.